You can probably tell this is in the future as it's nighttime, but I forgot to record the damn intro. This is how to do a ghost feeble on any curb. Let's find out. This trick does really tear up your tire. I mean, you could even use a curb like this. This is like literally like 3 or 4, oh, Caterpillar. Yeah, okay. Anyway, yeah, you could use a curb this height, and let me put the tire next to it. About a tire height. So you don't want a curb like that. That's like a 45-degree angle. You won't get anywhere learning on this kind of thing. How's it going? He didn't ever want to say bye. Okay. I mean, this would be absolutely perfect. Like a painted curb, it slides way better than just a straight concrete. It's like right in front of a park building. So that's not going to work out. Oh, you know what? These are nice. If you want to like practice your accuracy, go with like a curb that, you know, has an exposed side. Now, something else that's going to help you out in terms of extending the slide is going a little bit downhill or flat. You don't want to be going uphill. You'll feel like it's easier to kind of like lift your front end up if it's slightly uphill, but it will make it to where you slow down much quicker. I'll show you the height. You see that? It's just like about 5 inches taller than the tire itself. If you get like a dip like this, you can even just like straight up roll down it, not have to worry about like hopping off or pulling off. Let's demonstrate what I'm talking about here. There you go. Zoom by. One of the other things you can do is actually practice hopping into it so you can kind of emulate what you would feel hopping into a grind, and I'll show you that right now. So all I'm doing is just doing a regular bunny hop, you know, placing my front tire, just like I would in a feeble position. And it kind of gets you used to twisting the bike to kind of, you know, have an appropriate position to do a feeble. You know, like normally you'd have a peg or a pedal and then your front tire kind of gliding across. So another thing I'm doing is I'm actually leaning forward. Okay, sorry whoever this is, I'm just putting it on top of the garbage there. We kind of get the point. I'm just like leaning forward, like over my front tire, over my bars, and it makes it to where you can relieve some of the friction off your back tire. Because if you lean back, you'll notice your bike kind of wants to go up the curb, and I'll show you that right now. That's a cool little thing you can do to get up a curb. Whatever foot forward you're most comfortable rolling, you want to hop up on the curb on that side to kind of get ready for actual feebles. I mean, you can do it either foot forward, whoever is most comfortable, but typically you want to start on the side where your dominant foot is forward. Like I said, you can do both. You can practice switch, opposite side or whatever. You can do whatever, but it's just typically most comfortable to do it that way. Oh, my leg. You obviously don't want to go too far over, so when you lift your tire up, whether you're hopping into it or just kind of placing it, you want the tire to be right on the edge you're rolling on. So on the very, very edge. If you go too far over, that's what happens. Like the bike is wanting to go up the curb, so you want to keep right on the edge, lean far forward. After you've mastered that, it's kind of practice kind of hopping out of it. So it's basically the same thing as a hop, just a standard hop. Either carve away from the curb, or you can go up it. I'll show you. So all I did there, push forward, relieve some of the pressure on my feet, let the friction of the back tire do its work and kind of hop me up the curb. So yeah, like I said, I'm just like leaning forward, like pushing forward on the bars, throwing my body forward, not like a whole lot, but a little bit. I hope this helped you out on your journey to learn feebles. There are many different feeble variations, and they're all awesome. And this is one of them. Take it to like a skate park where the concrete's smooth, or like a wooden skate park where your tire has less friction in general, and you can actually go a lot further. You can do it on coping, like on the top of a quarter. It's a really versatile trick, and it's one that you can do anywhere. That's why I wanted to show you how to do this. And you know, if you don't have any ledges, like if you're in like Florida or something, and you're in a residential area, but you got curbs, you can practice this. You know, you don't have to build a ledge. You can just kind of work your way up to grinding with pegs. Or if you just don't want pegs, you want to just do tire slides, you can do tire slides everywhere. Have a good day. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in a future video.